MBA Crash Course. Business Law and Regulatory Compliance. Introduction. Business law and regulatory compliance are essential components of any successful business. Understanding the legal framework and complying with regulations is crucial for ensuring ethical practices, protecting the rights of stakeholders, and avoiding legal disputes. In this crash course, we will explore the key principles of business law, delve into the realm of regulatory compliance, and highlight the importance of legal awareness in the business world. Interesting stories and examples. To bring the subject to life, let's dive into a couple of interesting stories and examples that illustrate the significance of business law and regulatory compliance. The Enron scandal. The Enron scandal is a prime example of corporate fraud and the consequences of unethical business practices. Enron, once considered a leading energy company, collapsed due to accounting fraud and misleading financial reporting. The incident highlighted the importance of transparency, accountability, and the need for stringent regulatory oversight. GDPR and data privacy. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, implemented by the European Union is a significant regulatory development in the realm of data privacy. It has had a global impact on businesses that handle personal data. Compliance with GDPR requires organizations to establish robust data protection measures, obtain consent, and ensure the secure handling of personal information. The GDPR example emphasizes the importance of adapting to evolving regulatory frameworks. Top 12 Business Law and Regulatory Compliance Principles. Contract law. Understanding the fundamentals of contract formation, negotiation, and enforcement. Intellectual property. Protecting copyrights, trademarks, and patents to safeguard creative works and innovations. Employment law. Navigating employee rights, hiring practices, workplace safety, and labor relations. Antitrust law. Preventing anti-competitive practices and promoting fair market competition. Consumer protection. Ensuring fair business practices, product safety, and protection against fraud. Environmental regulations. Complying with laws related to environmental protection and sustainability. Securities regulations. Adhering to regulations governing the issuance and trading of securities. Corporate governance. Establishing frameworks for effective management, accountability, and shareholder rights. Tax law. Understanding tax obligations and optimizing tax strategies within legal frameworks. International business law. Navigating legal frameworks in cross-border transactions and global business operations. Data protection and privacy. Safeguarding personal information and complying with data protection laws. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to industry-specific regulations and government requirements. Summarization. In this crash course on business law and regulatory compliance, we explored the foundational principles that guide legal practices in the business world. We discussed the importance of ethical behavior, transparency, and compliance with regulations to ensure the long-term success and sustainability of organizations. By understanding and integrating these principles into business operations, companies can build trust, mitigate legal risks, and create a positive impact on society. Poem. In the realm of business, rules we must know. To navigate the legal waters, we must row. Business law and compliance, pillars so strong. Ensuring ethical practices, where we belong. Contract law binds agreements in ink. Intellectual property, protection we think. Employment rights, fair treatment we vow. Creating safe workplaces, here and now. Antitrust regulations, fairness they breed. Consumer protection, in every deed. Environmental laws, nature's embrace. Sustainability, a crucial race. Securities regulations, markets in check. Corporate governance, leadership to select. Tax laws guide, financial strategies we find. International transactions, borders left behind. Data protection and privacy, personal rights. Regulatory compliance, no legal fights. These principles guide us, day by day. In the world of business, where we stay. Song. Verse 1. In the world of business, where laws do reside, we navigate the landscape, with legal stride. From contracts to intellectual property. Compliance and ethics guide our journey. Chorus. Business law and regulatory compliance. Foundations for success, with no defiance. We uphold the principles, fair and true, in the pursuit of a business that will accrue. Verse 2. Employment rights, a crucial domain. Treating workers justly, with no disdain. Antitrust and consumer protection. Leveling the playing field, with no deception. Chorus. Business law and regulatory compliance. Foundations for success, with no defiance. We uphold the principles, fair and true, in the pursuit of a business that will accrue. Bridge. From environmental regulations we abide, preserving the planet, with nature as our guide. Securities laws ensure markets are fair. Corporate governance, integrity we share. Chorus. Business law and regulatory compliance. Foundations for success, with no defiance. We uphold the principles, fair and true, in the pursuit of a business that will accrue. Verse 3. Tax laws and international trade. Navigating the complexities, no time to fade. Data protection and privacy, a must. Safeguarding information, in whom we trust. Chorus. Business law and regulatory compliance. Foundations for success, with no defiance. We uphold the principles, fair and true, in the pursuit of a business that will accrue. Outro. So let us embrace these principles strong, in the realm of business, where we belong. With knowledge and adherence to the law, we pave the way for success, without flaw. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.